Hi guys! Kwentuhan tayo for today. So, before we get started, may na-notice ba kayo sa akin? Ha? Yes, that's right. I got a new haircut. Anong sa tingin... Sorry na. Anong sa tingin nyo guys? Maganda ba? Because, let me know in the comments. So, today, wala kaming pasok. Because as you know, it's election day. Ano ba yung tawag? Election day. So, my age is not legal to vote yet. Pero sana naman yung mga tao dyan, I hope they are voting wisely naman. Because there is a specific person na ayaw ko talagang manalo guys. Ayaw kong sabihin kasi baka yung fans nila, they might fight me. Ayoko yun, guys. Kasi, please, vote wisely para sa mga kabataan nyo, para sa kids nyo, and the future. Huwag kayong mag-vote ng kurap, ha? Anyways, may nakita kasi akong post, nakasabi, top 1 na si Kibuloy. And just asking, is it true guys or Photoshop lang ba yun? And I heard na si Isko Moreno, he is running for mayor again in Manila. Manila ba yun? If you don't know guys, I love Isko because ang gwapo lang niya. I really like
Hindi
him.
nagdadala sa kagwapuhan ang pagiging mayor.
Okay lang yan pag hindi siya basta gwapo. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan pag hindi siya nanalo as long as gwapo pa rin siya.
Okay.
So kayo ha, pumili naman kayo ng mabuti, huwag kurap. Please vote someone you trust. And pag nasa Maynila kayo, magboto naman kayo kay Isko. Pero, even about kung sino nanalo or not, may isa pa rin na susunod. And that is my mom.
Anong nasusunod? Saan nasusunod? Sa bangsa?
Sa bahay.
So, kahit sinong manalo, okay lang.
Kahit sinong manalo, basta hindi corrupt, meron pa rin isang nasusunod. And that is my mom.
Oh, ang masunurin
Ikaw na lang kaya ikaw na lang kaya tumakbo para
Oh,
mayor.
someday. Tapos ikaw lang din ang susunod.
Hopefully not just me. Kasi you're, a great lawyer.
Oh, thank you.
I think people would trust you pag, tumakbo ka. Not
Someday.
literal na tumakbo, guys. Tumakbo for mayor or,
You are campaigning for me already.
Pero, yeah. So, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!